Have you heard of STEM? Probably, because it's freaking everywhere. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. And if our kids don't learn STEM, so there's gotta be STEM books, STEM games, STEM toys, STEMs.
This is not STEM!
And what's STEAM? Is design connected to science?
Yes, design is a fundamental part of engineering and scientific models.
At Science Ninjas, I work with teachers to make sure my games and graphic novels are the real steamy deal. My first graphic novel, Big Trouble with Simple Machines, let me tell you what it's got. Mathematical relationships and physics. Problems you can only solve with design. Guides to building your own simple machines. Okay, well, it doesn't really have technology unless I'm like,
Books are the original technology.
just read it on Kindle. And there's so much science, like work, force, free body diagrams, mechanical advantage, Newton's laws, and all 6 simple machines. It also has ninja battles and robots and 80s movies references, so be a cool child nurturing person. Buy my book immediately.
Big Trouble with Simple Machines, ScienceNinjas.com.